Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to do the 2015 year Audi Q5 phone edge key by KD-X4. This is phone edge key, this is original key, and this is KD-X4. So the first step, we need to obtain the date of BCM2, the OBD connected in more programming. Okay, Audi. Stop. Obtain BCM2 date. Read through OBD2. Do the first option. Connect. Turn on the ignition. Okay. The current version is an encrypted version, which does not support OBD reading of BCM2 date. So we need to dismantle the BCM2 to read the date digit. The BCM2 of this car is here. We need to dismantle it. Now the module has been disassembled, and by the corresponding wiring diagram, connected the wires properly, and then read the date. Okay, in more programming, KD-X4, revive. Choose the corresponding check. The type of chip is this one, D70F3634. Corresponding diagram is this one. There are two diagrams. This one is unencrypted diagram. This one is encrypted diagram. According to the diagram, already connected. Return. Read. Start. Analyzing. Okay, successfully. Okay. Now we already reinstalled the BCM2 onto the vehicle. And next step, we need to generate the dealer key. Open the box. Okay. Before generate key, we need to connect the box first and set it to the car was mode and the frequency of original key is 315. So we need download the phone edge key app. Okay, and turn on the device. Press the button on the key one time, and then long press it for at least 3 seconds until the LED light flashing to turn it on. Okay, done. So next step, we need to connect the box, connect device. Okay, this is what we need to connect. The default password is 000. Okay, confirm. Set the new password. Done. Great. So we need to set the frequency same as the original key. frequency selection, okay, is 315 in car washing mode. So next step to generate the dealer key. Because when programming this car, the key needs to be injected into the key slot, and the box cannot be injected. So we made the wire and use this wire for programming. Okay. So next step, we need to generate the dealer key. Put this to the coil. Generate dealer key. Okay. Load the date. Okay. Generate no SIG date. No date required. Okay. Okay, write successfully. Return. This is the original key. Pull out the bell of the original key. Insert this chip into the case. And insert this key to learn the key. Okay. So learn the key 2. Okay. Turn on the header light. Okay. Insert the key. Okay. Number of learn keys is 1. Insert the original key to learn the key. Okay. Key programming finished. Okay. Next step, I check the phone edge key whether it's normal. The remote is normal. Pull out the original key and check the smart function. Okay. Put the phone edge key box into the armrest box. Check the remote if it is working. Unlock. Done. Lock. Okay, normal. So we need to set the mode to anti-chef mode. Okay, setting successful. And then do the calibration. Now the unlock is 10. The lock is 14. Okay. I think it's 5. So now let me show you the PKE function. Okay, lock. Unlock.